Hello kids! Welcome to Mathematics World. I am Teacher Rose. Our lesson for today is to change fractions to lowest terms. Simplifying and reducing fractions. One of the things you have to do at the end of most fraction problems is to simplify or reduce the fraction. When you reduce a fraction, you don't change the actual value of the fraction. You just write it down in its simplest form. How do you know if a fraction is fully reduced? Writing a fraction in its simplest form means that the top and bottom numbers can no longer be divided by the same whole number exactly or evenly other than the number 1. For example, the fraction 2/3 is fully reduced. There isn't any whole number other than 1 that both 2 and 3 can be divided by without having a remainder. Other examples of fully reduced fractions include 7/8, 5/9, and 11/20. So class, 7/8, 5/9, and 11/20 are in lowest term. Now, let us take a look of this illustration. Fraction in lowest terms. Let us see. So 8/16 is equal to 4/8. But 4/8 is not the lowest term yet. 4/8 is equal to 2/4. But 2/4 is not yet the lowest term. And then finally, 2/4 is equal to 1/2. 1/2 now is the lowest term for 8/16, 4/8, and 2/4. The lowest term is 1/2. More explanation. An example of a fraction that isn't fully reduced is 2/4. This is because both 2 and 4 can be divided by 2 to equal the fraction 1/2. You can see from the picture below that these fractions are the same, but 1/2 is the simpler form of the two fractions and is fully reduced. So 1/2, as what I have said a while ago, is the lowest form for 2/4. As you can see, 2/4 is equivalent fractions to 1/2. 1/2 is the lowest terms because the numbers are smaller. Got it, class? Other examples of fractions that can be further reduced include 3/12, 16/20, 8/24. One way to reduce fractions is to find the greatest common factor of the numerator and the denominator. Here are the steps to follow. Number 1, write down the factors for the numerator and the denominator. 2, determine the largest factor that is common between the two. 3, divide the numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. And finally, write down the reduced fraction. Now, let us have this example. Reduce the fraction 8/24. We are going to reduce the fraction 8/24. Step 1. What are the factors for 8? Equals 1, 2, 4, and 8. Factors for 24 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Step 2. The greatest common factor is 8. Why? Because 8 here is the common factor. Step 3. Divide both the numerator and denominator by 8. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. Step 4. The answer is 1/3. So, the lowest term for 8/24 is 1/3. Now, let us have this example for 8. What number are you going to divide by 4 and 8? Yes, it's 4. And 4 is the GCF, or the greatest common factor. So if you are going to divide 4 divided by 4, the answer is 1. And 8 divided by 4, the answer is 2. So the lowest term for 4/8 is 1/2. Okay, you are correct. Another example, 3/9. What number are you going to divide 3 by 9? What is the GCF? Yes, it's 3. So that is the GCF. So if you are going to divide 3 divided by 3, the answer is 1. 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3. So the lowest term for 3/9 is 1/3. Okay, you are correct. Another example, 12/16. Think of a number that can be divided by 12 and 16. What is that number? 4 again. So 4 is the GCF. Now, if you are going to divide 12 divided by 4, the answer is 3. And 16 divided by 4, the answer is 4. So the lowest term is 3/4. Let us have a short quiz. Write the lowest term of the following fraction. 10/30. What is the GCF? It's 10. So if you are going to divide 10 divided by 10, the answer is 1. 30 divided by 10, the answer is 3. So the lowest term is 1/3. You are correct. Next number, 6/9. What is the GCF of 6 and 9? Yes, it's 3. So if we are going to divide 6 divided by 3, the answer is 2. 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3. The lowest term now is 2/3. Very good, class. That's all for today's kids. Once again, I am Teacher Rose, saying keep learning and enjoy to love math. Likes and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Teacher Rose Corner. Thanks for watching. God bless.